Well, good morning guys. Sorry no tent dropping this morning. It's horrible weather, it's drizzling, it's just yuck. Had a restless night, had a problem with a possum pinching food out of my pack. That was just outside the tent. I had to chase him off. And then this morning a weka poked this big nostril into the mesh of my tent to try to pinch some food that was inside my tent. So now I've got a hole in the mesh of my tent. So I'm a bit annoyed about all that. And then because it's drizzling, I was going to put my umbrella up, and my umbrella's faulty. It's not locking in. So things aren't going that well at the moment. And last night I wanted to listen to something that was on my SSD card, my hard drive, and it wasn't connecting to my phone. So life's not good at the moment. But anyway, it's going to be a good day. It's drizzly, the visibility isn't the best, but we're going to have fun anyway. So, I don't know how much videoing I'll get done today, but I'll catch us down the trail. Well, this is pretty nice. It's a shame it's not a better day. But in the distance over there you can see Picton, where we came in with the ferry from Wellington. And next to it's the big town that you can see. This is pretty amazing. This is just from the side of the track. I mean, what sort of views is this?